Where are you?
Pacific Ocean.
What?
Somewhere in the Pacific Ocean.
Fiji's that way, Cook Islands that way, French Polynesia's that way,
Australia that way.
Australia that way. But so far so good.
I love it. His favourite food is corn and bamboo.
Yeah, welcome to Amsterdam.
There you go! You guys gave me a couple of fooskies.
However, the best one for us is that's tomorrow's steering. I bet you that's why it's so bloody rocky. Floating towards our hometown of Australia.
When I said that, you said I was wrong.
That's why I said it.